No.
How's the video? Okay. Okay, we've got a nice transmission here from a 77 Sportster. All the gears look good. No rust, no broken teeth, no wear marks. Real good looking piece. And it'll be up on eBay shortly. Turn this around a little bit. Get a different view. Let me show the bottom gears here too. Again, it's out of a 1977 Sportster, 4-speed. All the gears look very good. No wear marks. No rust. Just a nice piece. Thanks.